In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Behance profile QR code. A QR code makes it effortless for people to find your Behance portfolio by simply pointing their camera at a small image. It's perfect for business cards, resumes, presentation slides, and even your website footer. Let's walk through it clearly from start to finish. Begin on a desktop browser and log in to your Behance account. Once you are in, head to the top right corner, click your profile picture, and choose View Profile. This takes you to the public page you want others to see. Now, go to your browser's address bar and copy the URL exactly as it appears. It will look something like behance.net/your username. This link is what your QR code will point to. So make sure it loads your public portfolio page. If you want to double check, paste it into a new tab to confirm it opens correctly. Next, open a free online QR code generator in a new tab. There are many reputable options, and you don't need to sign up to use most of them. On the generator's page, find the field labeled URL or website. Paste your Behance profile link into that field, then click the button to create or generate the QR code. In a second or two, you should see a preview of your code. Most generators let you customize the look. If you want, adjust the colors or add a small logo to match your branding. Keep contrast high. Dark code on a light background is easiest for phones to scan. Avoid super light colors, overly busy backgrounds, or heavy design effects that might reduce readability. If you add a logo, keep it modest so it doesn't cover the code's key patterns. A quick tip: test the preview by scanning it with your phone camera before downloading, just to be sure it works. When you are happy with how it looks, download the QR code image. Choose PNG for crisp edges and digital use, or JPG if you prefer a standard image format. Go for a higher resolution if you plan to print it, so it stays sharp on paper. Now your QR code is ready for immediate use. Drop it into your resume. Add it to your email signature. Include it in a pitch deck, or print it on business cards so people can jump straight to your Behance profile. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.